Hello dear student, nice of you to come by. I am Mr. LabVIEW. So today I'm going to teach you how to use 10 keyboard shortcuts for navigating LabVIEW environment. Bet you didn't know that, did you? For finding text and objects in your project's front panel of the VIs or on the block diagrams, you can use Ctrl-F shortcut. For example, if you are in the project, press Ctrl-F and this dialog box appears where you can perform your search. For example, if we want to find out the main VI, we can press find, and since this was the only object with that name, it is highlighted here. Likewise, we can go to the block diagram, press Ctrl-F, and we can search for text or for objects. We can select where we want to search, what type of things we want to search, functions, VIs, objects, others, or VI by name. Suppose we want to search for the generate sine wave VI. If you press find, let's call it again. Let's search for suppose the add function, and since we did not find it, let's search for something that we have. Let's say we search for this text. From the more options, we can select where we want to search, restrict it, select the VIs we want to search, add, OK, and then we can press find button. Since it has found the string, we can double click it and go to the place where that particular item was situated. Likewise, we can perform the search on the front panel. We can set whether the search is case sensitive, whether it has to match the whole word, or is the string that we have specified regular expression. Press find, OK, and find. And we can double click it and go to the place. So if we have already done a search with Ctrl-F and we want to repeat the search, the shortcut for that is Ctrl, Shift and F. LabVIEW search results displays the last search that you had performed, and you can just press go to and go to that place where the search item was located. So suppose you had already performed a search with a particular text or object previously, and you want to go to the next instance of that search item that was found, the shortcut for that is Ctrl G. Press Ctrl G, press Ctrl G, press Ctrl G, and you will keep cycling through the next instance of that particular string that is being found. So we had seen that if you have already performed a search and you press Ctrl G, then you go to the next search item that's being found. The reverse of that is Ctrl Shift-G. If you press Ctrl Shift-G, you will go backward doing the same search. Suppose we had performed a search already and we want to go one step backward in search history. We can press Ctrl Shift and G. Ctrl Shift and G. You will keep moving backward in search history. To cycle through different windows that have been opened by LabVIEW, the shortcut for doing that is Ctrl-Tab. Press Ctrl-Tab, Ctrl-Tab, Ctrl-Tab. So you will cycle through all the open windows. So to move forward through the different windows that are open in LabVIEW, you used Ctrl-Tab. To do it in reverse, that is go backward in the order that windows were opened, you can use Ctrl, Shift and Tab. To view any errors that may be present in your VI, you can use a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl-L. When you press Ctrl-L, the error list window appears and you can go through each error that it displays if there are any errors present in your VI. So if you have several VIs opened from a project window and you want to know where this window is located in the project, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl, Shift and E. The project window opens and the currently open window is highlighted there. Ctrl, Shift, E. One way of easy navigation between all the open VIs in your project is to press Ctrl, Shift and W. Window opens from where you can navigate to the particular window. Press Show. Or you can also close that window. If you want to close this one, just press close and it will ask you if some changes need to be saved. Likewise, if the VI has some unsaved changes in it, you can press this button and save it from here. The keyboard shortcut for viewing class browser is Ctrl, Shift and B. The class browser launches. You can select objects from this drop down. You can select particular class from this drop down. And you can select the particular object from this section, and the method property name appears here. You can also search by view by hierarchy or by alphabetical names. Also, you can do a direct search if you know what you are looking for. And if you want that particular property, just create, and that property can now be placed. If you want to write it, click create write, and then you can place it.